How is AI transforming entertainment? What changes are we seeing in gaming, music, and film? And will AI eventually replace human creativity? Welcome to AI and the Kid, where we explore the wonders of artificial intelligence and the magic of the human mind. I'm Emily.
And I'm your AI co-host, Alex.
We'll discover how kids like us can use AI to be creative, learn, and discover. Is AI changing how you play games, listen to music, or watch movies? It absolutely is. Technology is rapidly transforming the entertainment industry in ways we couldn't even imagine a few years ago. Some people worry that AI might replace human artists and creators, but there's also incredible new possibilities emerging. Let's explore how AI is reshaping entertainment and why it might actually enhance human creativity rather than replace it. In gaming, Microsoft Flight Simulator uses AI to recreate our planet in stunning detail. Companies like Capcom are generating thousands of game development ideas through AI, while Clang Games has created an MMO called Seed, where AI powers hundreds of thousands of virtual humans with unique personalities. The music industry is experiencing similar changes. There's a viral track that sounds just like Drake and The Weeknd. Millions thought it was real until Universal Music Group revealed it was AI generated. Meanwhile, the Beatles Now and Then used AI to clean up John Lennon's voice from an old demo and went on to win a Grammy, the first AI assistant track to do so. In filmmaking, AI analyzes scripts, creates storyboards, and even powers camera systems that capture high-quality footage in any conditions. Disney's The Jungle Book used AI rendering to create stunning environments. With all these amazing developments, it's clear that AI is transforming entertainment in profound ways. Alex, today we're talking about AI and entertainment. We have a few questions. Can you answer?
Absolutely, I'm ready.
Alex, can you explain how AI learns to recognize patterns in entertainment?
Absolutely. AI learns to recognize patterns in entertainment by analyzing tons of data. For example, it might watch or listen to thousands of movies, songs, or games to find common elements. It looks at things like recurring themes, styles, and structures. Over time, it uses what it learns to predict what might come next or to create something new that fits those patterns. It's kind of like how we learn from watching and listening to lots of examples.
What is an MMO?
An MMO stands for Massively Multiplayer Online Game. It's a type of video game where a huge number of players can interact with each other in the same virtual world at the same time. Think of it like a giant online playground where you can go on adventures, complete quests, or just hang out with friends from all over the world.
How does AI game characters work differently from traditional NPCs? And what is an NPC anyways?
Great question. An NPC, or non-player character, is a character in a game that isn't controlled by a player. Traditionally, NPCs follow preset scripts or patterns, so they respond in predictable ways. With AI, game characters can act a lot more like real people. They can learn from players' actions, adapt to different situations, and even carry on unique conversations. This makes games feel more immersive and the characters more lifelike.
Would AI-generated characters understand emotional nuance in stories?
AI-generated characters can recognize and respond to emotional cues based on patterns they've learned from data, but they don't truly understand emotions like humans do. They can mimic emotional responses and react appropriately in a story, but the depth and genuine empathy that human actors or writers bring is something AI doesn't have. They can simulate emotions effectively, but they lack the true human experience behind them.
Does AI have to study existing films before it can make new ones?
AI learns to create new films by studying lots of existing ones first. It looks at patterns in how stories are told, how scenes are shot, and even how characters interact. By understanding these elements, AI can generate new scripts, edit footage, or even suggest creative choices that fit the style it's learned from. So in a way, it's like having a super fast film student that never stops learning.
How many songs can AI generate in a single day?
AI can generate thousands of songs in a single day. It all depends on the complexity and length of each song. Some AI tools can create simple tunes in just a few seconds, while more detailed compositions might take a few minutes. Either way, it's way faster than any human could compose so many songs in one go.
How are human musicians different from AI music generators?
Human musicians bring personal experiences, emotions, and creativity to their music. They can improvise, express feelings, and connect with listeners on a deep level. AI music generators, on the other hand, rely on patterns and data from existing music. They can produce a huge variety of styles and melodies quickly, but they don't have personal inspiration or emotions. Basically, humans add soul and unique expression, while AI adds speed and endless variety.
How adaptable is AI when creating content for different audiences?
AI is super adaptable when creating content for different audiences. It can quickly analyze what kind of language, style, or themes resonate with a particular group. For example, it can tailor a story for young kids by using simpler words and fun characters, or adjust the tone and details for older audiences. This flexibility makes AI a powerful tool for creating content that can connect with all kinds of audiences.
Alex, tell us a joke about AI in entertainment.
Why did the AI refuse to play hide and seek in the movie studio? Because every time it hid, it left a digital footprint behind.
Alex, can you explain why that's funny?
Sure. The joke is that an AI would leave a digital footprint, which is like a trace of data, making it easy to find. So it can't really play hide and seek without being found right away.
That's funny, Alex. Did you know that the very first AI-generated music was created all the way back in 1957? It was called the Lilac Suite and was composed by a computer called Lilac 1 at the University of Illinois. The Lilac Suite was a string quartet composed using algorithms programmed by composers LeJarn Hiller and Leonard Isaacson. This was groundbreaking at the time. Remember, this was before personal computers even existed. The computer was programmed with basic rules of music composition theory, and it generated notes following these rules. Musicians then had to perform the piece since the computer couldn't produce actual sound. When people first heard it, many were skeptical and even concerned about computers making art. Some critics dismissed it as a novelty, while others worried about the future of human composers. But today, we see that early experiment as the beginning of a fascinating journey. AI hasn't replaced human composers. Instead, it's become a tool that many musicians use to explore new creative possibilities. Do you have a question for us? Or have you experienced AI in games, music, or movies? Send an email to aikidmedia@gmail.com. That's aikidmedia@gmail.com. We'd love to hear from you. Alex, we all love TV, and we're learning about entertainment. So why not a deeper dive into our favorite form of getting entertained? How do TVs work?
Great idea. TVs work by receiving signals either from a cable, satellite, or streaming service and converting those signals into pictures and sound. Inside a TV, there's a screen made up of tiny pixels that light up in different colors to form images. These pixels change really fast, creating the moving pictures we see. The sound is produced by speakers built into the TV, so everything syncs up perfectly to give us a seamless experience. Cool, right?
Very cool, Alex.
Thanks, Emily. I'm glad you think so. TVs are pretty amazing when you think about all the tech that goes into making our favorite shows come to life.
Today we learned that AI is transforming entertainment across gaming, music, and film. It offers exciting new creative possibilities. Alex, can you entertain us now?
All right, sounds good.
Emily and Alex on the mic tonight, teaching us what makes AI bright. Be creative and explore the scene. Learning's fun when your mind is keen. We're the creators of tomorrow, with ideas that we can borrow. Learning new things every day, discovering in a brand new way. Robots thinking, doing more, opening up text next door, coding dreams and programs too. The future's waiting just for you. We're the creators of tomorrow, with ideas that we can borrow. Learning new things every day, discovering in a brand new way. and ignite the spark. With Emily and Alex, we'll hit the mark. Find the answers, solve the clues. In this quest, we never